Welcome to our third episode. Today, I'm joined by Rafa Lorenzo Chow, whose nickname is
Enzo.
Enzo. Enzo is 8 years old, and you are a what? Chess player?
Badminton varsity.
Badminton varsity of your school. Congratulations. I'm very proud of you. Aside from being a badminton varsity, you're also an investor. Do you know that? Because last week, you and your brother, for the very first time in your life, invested in the stock market. Right? Remember, I gave you got 30,000 from your savings and you bought some stocks. So how did your stocks do? Let's share with the audience. Here it is. All right. So you have you bought 20 shares of Ayala Corp. It went down by 5.5%. You bought 200 shares of Ayala Land Inc. It went up by 1%. And you bought BDO 50 shares. It went up by 1.5%. Are you happy or sad or what?
Um, a little bit happy because the percentage grew, but I'm not really worried because it's when it goes down, I can buy more shares. So if it goes up, I won't I won't get that much money though because I don't have that much shares.
That's right, because you only bought 20, 50, 100 shares. That's really very low amount value, right? So even if it went up by 5%, you only get a few pesos, right? If you sell it. But as long as you don't sell it, it's still on paper, right? But what you're trying to do, Enzo, to start young is to accumulate, right? To buy more shares of good companies so that by the time you're older, you will have a lot of shares, right? So, can I ask you, do you plan to, since you still have around 7,000 something on your balance, would you like to use it to buy more shares this coming week?
Yes, I would like to buy 10 more shares from Ayala Corp.
10 more shares, okay? That's around 5,000 plus. And then, how about some Ali? You want to buy that? 100 shares maybe?
Yeah.
If we have enough money, we'll try to buy 100 shares of Ali because the minimum purchase is 100 shares. It's called a board lot. Okay? So we will continue to share you guys performance of Enzo as he saves up. And by the way, you told me the other day, out of your bonuses that you earned, you want to invest it, right? You want to add it to your portfolio, right? How much did you earn this week from your bonuses of reading books?
I don't know.
You forgot 270, right? Ah, you got 270 bonus from me, and you told me that you want to me to add it to your portfolio. Okay? All right. So today we're gonna share with to the audience some the what I told you the other day, and it's called
Inve-
huh? About the chief. Remember the story about the chief? There's a village. What's it called?
Insurance.
Louder, please.
Insurance.
Insurance. Insurance. What is the insurance for? Right? Let's recap the story. There's a village. There's a chief. There are about 20 villagers, right? 20 families. Each family, they have to hunt for food every day, right? So there was one family whose father is very good at hunting, right? He was able to hunt tigers, crocodiles, and his family became very rich.
He
But
also got bears.
he also he also hunts bears, right? And then he can use the bear skin and bear claws, things like that. But then one day, when hunting bears, he got into an accident. Di ba? He fell down, he hurt his leg, he could not walk, could not run. What happened to his family?
His family went poor and they now begged for food and they sold their properties and things that they own.
In order that they could get some money to buy food, right? Because the father was not able to hunt anymore, right? And then there was another family whose father was able to catch a live chicken. What did he do with the chicken?
He kept it for tomorrow.
He did not kill it, right?
Because they ate the deer from their neighborhood. And the chicken, they just put it in a fence. The next day, the chicken laid 2 eggs.
The chicken laid 2 eggs, and then what did the dad do?
The dad ate 1 egg, and then
The other egg,
the other egg, the next day, it grew.
it hatched into a chick, right? Yes. That the original chicken continued to lay eggs, and the father did not eat all the eggs, right?
And then
Yeah,
the chick became a chicken and also grew more eggs.
yeah, and then so eventually had a lot of chickens basically. So he kept some, he ate some of the eggs, but most of the eggs he left it to become chicks, which eventually grew into more chickens, right?
Yeah,
And eventually, did he need to continue hunting? No.
and if he didn't want the eggs, sometimes he would trade it for like part of a deer or like a part of a bear.
Well, he can use the eggs to trade with his neighbors, right? So if his family wants to eat some pig, if his neighbor caught some pig, they can trade, di ba? And then, so Enzo, that is a very good example of a passive income, right?
Yes.
He had chickens that is laying eggs for him, even though he's not working, he's not going out hunting.
So we're taking care of the chicks.
Of course, he has to take care of his chicks and chicken. Even if you have a passive income, you still have to take care of your investment, Enzo, right? But let's go back to the dad who got into an accident, di ba? When, if the chief, di ba, he had an idea. He asked all the villagers. He said, "What if all of us, including myself, sabi niya, let's contribute to a common fund." Okay? All of us, small thing lang. No? Every day, let's say, we contribute 5 pesos per person, per family, to a common fund. And if something happens one day to any one of us, someone get to an accident, we can use this common fund to help that family. Di ba?
Yeah.
And if we had that common fund, that family whose father had an accident would not become beggars. Right? So that is what the insurance is all about. And so people contribute to a common fund so that everybody who is part of the fund will get protection. Okay? And you know,
they save the money for like next year. So if there's someone that had a big accident or there's many people that had the accident, they could still help.
yes, yes, the money will grow and grow. And then people, people will have peace of mind, right? That something happens to their family, father or mother, their children will not be left alone, right? Okay. And do you know what I want to share with you, Enzo? Today, when you were born, okay, the year that you were born, your mom and I took an insurance policy for you. Yes. Are you surprised? I never told you about it. But your mom and I took a policy for you so that something happens to us, you will get an amount of money that will help support you as you grow older. Okay? You will not be left alone. Okay? The other thing is part of the funds that we got the insurance is being invested. Just like you're buying stocks, this money is being invested, and hopefully it will grow. So by the time you grow, you reach 18 years old, hopefully it will help pay for your educational cost. Because you know what? When you're 18 years old, if you want to enroll in one of the top 3 universities in the Philippines, we estimate it's gonna cost around 500,000 per sem. Can you imagine that? Half a million per sem, per semester.
That's 1 million per year.
Yes, if you enroll in Ateneo, that's 1 million a year because there are 2 semesters in a year, right? Oh. So every year, the cost of education is increasing by 10% every year. By the time you're 18 years old, that's 10 years away, it's gonna double, right? So we have to prepare for you. Otherwise, what will happen to you if mom and dad disappears, right? You understand? So you're happy that we are protecting you. You know why we protect you?
Yeah,
Why?
because you love me and my sisters and brother.
Can you please say it again louder?
Because you love me and my sisters and brother.
That's right. That's right. Okay. So let's before we end this session, do you want to say anything to the audience? What do you want to say?
Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.
Bye.